I'll show you how to replace your power button on the LG G5. All you have to do, pull this battery out, and then make sure you remove the SIM card tray, and then there's going to be 2 screws. I already unscrewed them, so one already came out. So there's one right here and one right here. You'll need to remove both them out before you're going to remove the screen. And there's 2 screws. And then you'll need to remove your screen. You can just pull on one side up and then just stick your thing up and then just go all the way around. As you can see, it just comes out. It's got clips all the way around. And then you can just pull it off. And here's your power button. It's all the way right here. There it is. All you do, just start from this thing and then just pull it up. It's glued really hard. And then once you remove this thing, just peel this thing off. As you can see right here. Be careful, but it's most likely it's not gonna work anymore, so it doesn't really matter. And then you can just install new power. Mine doesn't work, so I don't care about it. I just need to take it out. There it is. You can just replace for a new one and then just install it back in, put the plate back in. Most likely it's gonna be damaged, so you might well have to buy a new one, and then just go as you go, pretty much backwards. Stick this thing back in just like you did, and then put the screws back in and your battery and the SIM tray. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.